Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display brightness level manually. Then you can manage notifications on lock screen, privacy on lock screen, enable or disable skip lock screen, add users from lock screen, and add text on lock screen. Then you can enable or disable show wallet, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. Then you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never, and enable or disable screen attention function. Next, you can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Then you can change font size, display size, enable or disable eye comfort mode, change its intensity and schedule it. Then you can change colors and contrast, enable or disable auto rotate screen, set screensaver, and in the end you can enable or disable backlight power saving function. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.